Been traveling like crazy cakes, but I came back and I got some good stuff. You want to see? First thing. What do you mean, Barney's? I'm still sitting Shiva for Barney's. And it looks like Barney's and Hourglass is doing some sort of pop-up September 5th through October 11th. So if you're in New York, run, don't walk. Look, I even got a hat. Satin cream lipstick duo. This one's called Oasis. Ooh, it looks like a beautiful pinky nude. And Wave. Ooh, now you're talking. YSL, Flowers and Flames. I've been told not to rub. I'm not rubbing, people. Watch. Oh, is that yummy? Obagi. Eyelash enhancing serum and eyebrow boosting serum. Ooh, neck and décolleté. That's important. Bronze Road. Thank you, thank you. What did you send me? Thank you, Bronze. I love this color. I really do need some pink in anything I put on my face because I'm so fair. So all of a sudden it looks like I've been out at the beach all day. Glow Recipe. Do you know how good this smells? We've got little blackberries going on. It's for blemish and texture. I get these little rosacea pimples on my cheeks, and this is going to come in very handy. Saie's candy. Like C's, but Saie. Get it? Lip treats. Ooh, look at all these gorgeous colors. Let's try Kiss. And it's not the sparkly one. It's just like a nice, it does have some pink to it, doesn't it? It's very pretty. I really want to try the darker one. Dream. Oh my God, look at that. This is good. This is like a berry. I like this for fall. Saie Dream. And very moisturizing. And there's liners to go with all of them. I mean, how lucky am I, right? Exponent, Time, Rewind, Retinol, Starter Kit. It's refillable. Very good for the environment. And it seems to have a quadruple hyaluronic acid refill. It comes with instructions, people. Oh, it's a whole thing. I'm excited. Lots of twists and turns. Finally, a whole slew of MCO Beauty. This setting spray, I don't know. I haven't tried it yet, but I have been really experimenting with setting sprays because I find some of them, I put them on all day. Like I'm dry. I feel like, I don't know, like a dried up prune. So I'm excited to try this one, Miracle Flawless, because it says no melting, no fading, no creasing. Thank you very much, everybody. If you are down in Soho, sometime between now and October 11th, go to the Hourglass Barney's pop-up and let me know how it is. See ya.